To enable 24/7 continuous recording on your Lorex NVR, start by accessing your system through the Lorex app, available on iOS and Android devices, or via a web browser for desktop access. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu within the app or web interface. From Settings, select Recording and then Schedule to view the recording configuration options. You'll see a grid showing days and hours. To enable 24/7 continuous recording, set all time slots to continuous mode. This overrides default motion detection settings. Remember to save your settings. By enabling continuous recording, your cameras will capture footage non-stop 24/7 without relying on motion-based triggers. Running your Lorex NVR in 24/7 mode consumes significant storage. A single channel at 1080p can use approximately 100 to 500 gigabytes per day, depending on the bitrate. To prevent your hard drive from filling up quickly, configure the overwrite settings. The FIFO setting is recommended, as it automatically overwrites the oldest footage with new recordings. Consider using Lorex Cloud or other cloud storage options for offsite backup. Additionally, Lorex has introduced an AI-enhanced Smart Continuous mode, where the system learns activity patterns and reduces bitrate during low-activity periods, which can extend storage life by 20 to 30%. Keep your NVR's firmware updated to access these features. Make sure your NVR has sufficient power and ventilation to handle constant operation. Also consider a UPS backup for uninterrupted recording during outages.